Hello viewers, in today's tutorial today we are going to be solving this factorial problem. So we have this equation, we are going to be looking for the value of x. So now x minus 2 factorial x plus 1 factorial divided by x minus 1 factorial x factorial equals to 3. So now I would like us to use this fact. Let's say we have 7 factorial. So now this is going to be 7 minus 1, then multiplied by what? We are going to be having 6 minus 6 minus 1, we are going to be having 5. 5 minus 1, we are going to be having 4. Let's say we don't want to go for that. I get it now. So before we can start or we can stop, so we are going to put in 4 factorial here. So we are going to be what? We are going to 1. I get it now, but because of time, so we don't want to go to the 1. So we stopped here at 4 factorial. I get it now. So we are going to be using this idea in getting our values here. So now let me work on the what? Let me work on the first, let me work on the numerator. So here I'm going to be having x minus 2 factorial, then here x minus x plus 1 factorial. So let's take it as 7 factorial that we have here. So definitely this place we are going to have x plus 1, then the next one after this one is going to be when we minus or when we remove 1 from x plus 1, we are going to be having x. So also we remove what? We remove 1 from x, we are going to be having x minus 1, and we want to stop there. We have this because of this x minus 1 factorial we have at the denominator, so that it can be cancelled out. So divided by what? Divided by x minus what? X minus 1 factorial. So now let's look at this x factorial. This x factorial can also do this. We can also do the same here. That is, we are going to be having x into bracket. We remove 1 from x, we are going to be having x minus 1. Then the next one is going to be remove 1 from x minus 1, we are going to be having x minus 2, and we want to stop there. So therefore we have factorial here. Then equals to what? Equals to 3. So now from there, the next thing we are going to do, let's see the common factors that can be that can be cancelled out. When you look at x minus 2 here, you are going to see that this x minus 2, we cancel this x minus 2 factorial. X minus 1 factorial, we cancel x minus 1 factorial. X, we cancel x here. I get it now. So what do we have left? You can see that we have what? We have x plus 1, okay, over x minus 1 equals what? Equals 3. So now from there, so the next thing we are going to do is try to write this one as fraction, then do what? Do cross multiplication. Are you getting it? So we are going to be having 3 times this, I'm going to be having 3x minus 1 equals to 1 times this is going to be x plus 1. Is that understood? So now from there, we are going to be having 3 times x. This is going to be 3x. 3 times this, we are going to be having minus 3, then equals to x plus 1. So now from there, we try to what? We try to collect the like term. So we send this to this side, and we take this to this side. That is x to this side and minus 3 to the other side. We are going to be having 3x. We're going to be having what? We are going to be having 3x minus x equals to 1 plus what? 1 plus 3. So this is going to be 2x equals to 1 plus 3 is 4. So dividing through by this, I'm getting it. So we are going to have what? We are going to be having x to be equals to this cancel this. We have this cancel this. We are going to be having 2. So therefore, our final solution is what? Is x equals to 2.